Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a Rust building system in Roblox Studio. Let's get into it. So this tutorial is going to have two separate sections, one for free build and one that uses materials. So let's start with the free build. You can see I'm already in the game here. So free build has another two different sections. So you can have it where you can place it anywhere on the map, or if you want it to be specifically placed in a plot. So this is what it looks like. So if we go and press number 1, you can see there are view models. And then these icons I made myself, but these I did not make. So if you do use these, you can get in trouble because I use this from Rust's wiki, and I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to steal other people's icons. I just used it for testing purposes. So if we click on the foundation, you cannot place it on top of water. And you can see if it's out of the plot, you cannot place it. And if it's inside, you can place it. And there are also collisions, you can see here. Now let's just build a little base here. There we go. So you can see the doors now have tweening, opening and closing. And this is how it looks. And if you go to the hammer, we've got a destroy GUI, a repair, and an upgrade GUI. So upgrade, you can upgrade these, which also upgrades the health. And the door has a different sound because it is now metal. But I'm going to quickly change it back to wood because I'm going to show you guys the RPG now. Actually, we can go to stone. So these sounds also were taken from Rust, so I would not recommend to use them. Okay, so now with the RPG, we can shoot it and press R to reload. And now if you go to this repair tool, you can see it's lost 50 HP. And now you can see that they are losing HP and they do get destroyed. You can see the wooden ones are getting destroyed first. There we go. That one, those pieces look like that glitch. There we go. So, and then with the destroy tool, it completely destroys them. So let's just get rid of this. There we go. And there's a cool destroy effect you can see there. Cool. Okay, so there are a few things that I'm going to show now. So if you want the plot, then use this script. It's going to be in the description, so there'll be a bunch of models and you can find the one that's good for you. So that's the plot one. I'm just going to quickly disable this and enable the other one. So this other one does not use a plot. It is a free build. You can place wherever you like. If you want the players to build on a plot that is specifically theirs, then what you can do is go to the plot in workspace and group it as a folder. And we can name these two plots. And this one we can call empty. And then make a bunch of them. I'll make quite a few. Okay, there, we'll go for 5. And then in the workspace, in service script service, you have to make a script to assign the plot. So plot script. There we go. So let's play. And now we're going to be assigned a plot. Yeah, RetroAmythest plot. So it's this one over here. Cool. Now let's enable the plot script again. And then the plot here, we have to get workspace dot plots find first child player dot name dot is plot. So now we can only place on our plot. So in the plots, I'll make mine green so it's easier to tell. So we can't place in any of these other ones, only inside of R1. There we go. And there's also a max distance that you can place. So even if it's over there and it's far away, we won't be able to place. We have to be within 10 studs. So now we can only place on our assigned plot. Go into replicated storage and find structures. And this is where you'll find everything. So if you want to change the sounds, click on the structure, go into the primary part, and you can find build sound, then all the destroy sounds for the different materials, and then the upgrade sounds. So you can change that there. And then to change the view models, put the view models into workspace, and this is where they all are. So there's the building plan, there's the hammer, and then the RPG. Let's just bring that over here. Okay, so this is the RPG one. You can see, oh, I've got show worlds on. There we go. Here we go. So this is how it looks. You can change this. So you can change the blueprint model, but then you just have to make sure that you weld them all together, make sure it's unanchored, and then weld it to the hand. And then also the same with the hammer, just make sure it's welded together to the hand. And then here's the RPG one. So if you want to change the animations, you can click on the view model, open it, and go to animations. So here's a fire and reload animation. So to make your own animation, head over to the avatar tab, click on animation editor, and then click on here. So these are the ones that I've got. That's the reload. And make sure that it is set to action and it's not looped. Then you publish it, and then just paste the ID into there, and then it's done. That's all you have to do for that. And if you want to change the rocket launcher model, you can do it right here. This is the one I just took from Roblox. They have a few guns on their website, so that's what I did. And then the intensity X and Y, that's how much it moves around on your screen, so you can change how much it moves when a player walks. Cool. So you can drag that back there as well. If you want to change how the tools look in the hotbar, you click on the tool and find texture ID, and you can change it there. If you want to change the damage, go into the rocket launcher and go down to activated, and then take damage. Okay, structure here. So the 50 is how much damage the RPG does to any structures in the area. If you want to make a new tool, so what we're going to do is I'm going to get a pistol. So I'm going to show you how to make a new tool and then a new view model as well. So let's get this gun. We want to get rid of everything inside of it. All we need is the handle. We don't need any of this. Then drag that out there, and we'll get rid of all of that. So we've just got the gun model. Cool. So what we can do is duplicate the rocket launcher and name this to pistol. And then now we need a picture. So decals, let's look for a pistol, maybe something like this. And then paste it into the text ID. And then the tool script down in the rocket launcher view model changes to pistol view model. And then we have to go to view models, duplicate the rocket launcher, name this to pistol or whatever the name of your tool is, drag it into workspace so we can actually see it. Then the rocket launcher, I'm going to delete it, and then the handle for this, put it into the view model, and I'll name it to pistol. Now we have to put it in the right position. Then what you do, make sure it's unanchored, and then go to the model tab and click on weld, and then weld it to the hand. Cool. Then you can change the animations and all that. I'm not going to do it. Then drag it back to view models, and inside the pistol tool script, this checks, oh, this just does all the shooting and all of that. So we need to make, or actually, then you have to make a bullet system for this. I think we can just use mouse dot position, so we'll get rid of that. And then over here, it fires a fire sound. I'm not going to do that, but you can if you want. And then rocket speed, rocket lifetime, all of that, we can just get rid of it. Structures hit, fire animation, we'll keep the fire animation. And then this sends the rocket straight forward, but I'm going to get rid of this. And here we're going to use mouse. There's no variable for it yet. Okay, so local mouse is equal to player get mouse, then mouse dot target. So local hit is equal to mouse dot target. Then we can just get rid of the rocket function. And then we're not going to do an explosion. So this is for if the pistol hits a player, then it's going to take damage on the player. Okay, so there we go. So mouse to target, cool. Take damage, we'll do 100. Yeah, that's good. Then over here, then we're going to say if, get rid of all of that. Get rid of this, get rid of the debris. Okay, so if hit.parent find first child structure, then change this all to hit. There we go. That should be everything. So now if we play, we've got the pistol. You can see our view model. We can shoot. Oh, there was a, oh yeah. Okay, wait, let's just get rid of all of these. We just have to check if mouse and mouse.target. Because when you aim it at the sky, there is no mouse target. And then we just put all of this back into there. And you know what, I'll just quickly get a pistol fire sound. So back in the pistol, I'm pretty sure there was a sound there, fire sound. Okay, we'll use that. Then make sure to put that into the view model and not into the tool. So into the pistol, fire sound. Now in the pistol, when it gets activated, view model, find first child, pistol, find first child, the fire sound, then it's gonna play that. Then there's also a reload. We'll also put that in there as well. And then that's all. Cool. Close all that. And then down in the reload, all the way back here. So this uses rocket launcher. So pistol.reload play, then pistol, there we go, cool. So now it should be working. So now we can shoot. There we go. Then we press R and it reloads. And now, oh, there was a problem there when we unequipped. Where's unequipped? Line 73. Oh, here, rocket launcher. Oh, okay, yeah, it's looking for the boom sound, which we don't need anymore. So, oh yeah, plot system. So now if we aim it here, and then we do damage, you can see now it's at 50. Then when we reload, if we shoot it, then it is broken. Cool. So that is how you make another tool and another view model. So now we can head to the materials part of the video. Okay guys, so now we're in the material section. So now if we play and we go into our player, you'll see there's a folder named materials and we have a certain amount of materials, and I'll show you how to change the amount that you get. So when we play something, you can see it takes away 200. That is how much I have set. I'll show you how to change it just now. And yeah, that is the material system working. Okay guys, so if you do want to change the model though, you have to get the model from the structures. Then I'm gonna make one quickly. Okay, so this is gonna be my wall model. So make sure that everything is anchored inside of it and group it. And then name this to wall, okay? Or to whatever one you're replacing. And then insert a part and set the size to 1, 1, 1. And then copy the wall, copy the position, then paste the little block into it. And then bring it down all the way to the ground here. And then make it transparent and can collide, can query, and can touch the false. And name this to primary. So this is where the wall's gonna be when you're dragging it around with your mouse. And then in the wall, set the primary part to the primary. Oh, yeah, sorry, I forgot to drag it inside. So the primary part to the primary, cool. And then copy all of these. So the health, the structure, the player placed, and all of that stuff. And then inside the primary part, it's got the build sound, the destroy sounds, and the attachment. can paste it in, and it's already set the position correct. And then the wall attachment on top so that you can do multiple floors. Copy that and then paste it into whatever thing you have up here, and then make sure that is all the way to the top like that. Okay, so now we can try and test our wall. Put it into the structures. This one we'll just put in like server storage. So now if you play and we use the foundation and the wall, you can see here is our custom wall. And okay, so you can see it is off. If it is doing that, then what we have to do is go on the wall to the floor attachment and then just rotate it. Make sure that it is like that. There we go. Now this should work. Okay, it still doesn't work. Okay, what we can try is the primary part. Rotate the primary part. Now we can play. There we go. That is all good now. So it was the primary part that we had to rotate. And you can see it works. And then also now this isn't working. So what we do, wall, go to this and go to the wall attachment, rotate that, and then put that back in structures. And you just have to do this to make sure that it is all aligned. There we go. And now it works. And then the roof still works. And then we can destroy them. And you can see it also gets rid of it. But since this wall is like one big part, it doesn't break as nicely, because these ones I used a rounded mesh part and I just built lots of them. So you can add detail to your wall as much as you like. It just, all it does is unanchors it, and then you'll see everything just falls apart. So yeah, that's how you change the models. So to change the amount of materials that you get, go into the material script and you'll see starting amount. So change this to the amount that you like. I'll do 1,000, and I'll show you now that when we run out of materials, it is not going to let us place anymore. So it's at 800, 600, 400, 200. Now we're at 0. You need 200 more wood to place a structure. Cool. So I'm going to show you now how to change the amount that you need to place each structure. So inside of the build UI in the client placement here. So wood amount needed. So it costs 50 wood for a door, 50 wood for a door frame, 200 for foundation, 100 for roof, 50 for stairs, 100 for walls, and 50 for window frame. So for the foundation, we can change that to 100. And you'll see now in the wood, it's only going to take 100 away every time. Cool. And the upgrading also does cost materials. You can see it will cost me 100 stone to upgrade. So when we upgrade, there we go. Now if we change it to armored, go to our armored, it will cost 200. Oh, yeah, 200. There we go. And it's taking it away. So I'll show you how to change the upgrade amount and then also the repair amount. So if you use the RPG real quick, you can see now it's going to cost me 50 armor to repair. So repair all of these and they go back to normal. There we go. So to change the upgrade and the repair amount, go into the hammered UI, the repair handler, and then scroll down. Oh wait, there, repair. Oh no, sorry. So the repair, it works by itself. It takes the max health, minus the health that it's at. So say it's armored and it has a max health of 500 and it's at 400, it will cost you 100 armored. So the repair handler does the working out for you, but the upgrade handler, it is down here. Oh, the upgrade handler, material name, here, material costs, where is this at? There we go. So to upgrade to wood, it's going to cost 50 wood. For stone, it costs 100, metal 150, and armor 200 armor. So metal, we can change this to like 300 and then that one to 500. And you'll see when we go to upgrade now, it's going to change to the amount. There we go. There's 300 and then 500. There we go. So I think that is about it for this video. Thank you for watching and bye.